Okay, now I've put water in my tank in the Asakuki diffuser tank, and I've added cedarwood essential oil, organic tea tree oil. They're all pure organic oils. Douglas fir oil. And in the post, I'll show you exactly which oils I bought. Frankincense oil. And all of these oils have droppers. Be sure when you order your if you go to Amazon to order your essential, be sure you say so-and-so essential oil with dropper. Otherwise, you'll just have to buy it and make another purchase and buy a dropper. And cedarwood, eucalyptus, tea tree oil, frankincense, Douglas fir, and one more, peppermint. I'm going to put peppermint oil in there, and that one does not have a dropper yet, and rosemary. So let's just go for the gold. So I'm going to put all those things in there. Then I'm going to just give you a dry run. Okay, you place the lid on top, and it has this little hole for where this is where the mist comes out, and it shows you. Let me see. I thought it showed you where to put it. My other one in my bedroom's a little different, but it's okay. It's all good. All right, now so I'm going to turn it on. And it's on. The mist has already started. See, the mist has already started. It's not hot. It's not a heated mist. It's just an ultrasonic mist. Now then, let's work with the light. So I can turn on the light here. And until I hit this light button again, it's going to circle through several different colors. It's going to constantly circulate through a variety of colors, which makes your house feel like a merry-go-round. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit this again until, now that's going to select whatever light it's on. Hit it again. That's the light I use in my bedroom. It's kind of a dark purple light. Soothing color. And I actually said this. I think I paid $23 for my first one. I'm not sure what I paid for this one. But I needed a night light anyway. I had to get up about 5,000 times during the night, and it's a hazard without a night light, and I didn't have one, and I needed to buy one anyway. So guess what? For about the price of a good night light, I have a good night light that diffuses essential oils. Good for pain management, good for aromatherapy, good for unblocking your congested sinuses. And believe it or not, although it sounds like I'm some kind of pagan witch, it helps with pain. It helps with other medical problems like skin problems. You can check all this out with a little write-up about the different oils, different recipes for blends on the blog post that I'll attach.